I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why, 'cause I got you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this green eyeshadow makeup look. I tried this pigment also for the very first time. So if you want to know how I got this look or this look right here, then please continue watching. So first I'm going to take my Stars Cosmetics eyeshadow, and this one's again in the shade 03 green, and let me give you guys a closer look of this eyeshadow. So this is how the green eyeshadow is. It's like very light pista shade, and now I'm going to apply that on my eyelid. So I already applied little concealer on my eyelid for the color to stay. So I'm just going to apply it with my fingertip, because what I have seen is that the application is smooth when applied with your fingertips than the brush when the product is highly pigmented. So highly pigmented or not pigmented at all, but applying it with the fingertip makes it more easier.
I'm living proof, how honest I'll give you my Rolex. I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why.
So now I'm going to take my In Color, it's a pencil, In Color Intense Longwear eye pencil in the shade E02C green. It's a very beautiful green shade, and I'm going to make a liner with this.
I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings.
Now with the same, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well.
'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. You back it up for me, a real home run. You in my dreams out in the weekend sun. Throw back that 40, Hennessy pouring right. Fantasy, take me there. Let down that wild pig. I could always tell that you.
So now to enhance the color on my lid, I'm going to take this pigments from Stars Cosmetics. It is a green pigment, and I'm going to just dab it on my eyelid just to enhance the green color. But I'm not going to touch my liner. I'm just going to keep it as it is. I'm just going to dab it. So I've took some product on this brush. So now I'm just going to.
I'll take you every photo. Little black dress down on your shoulders. Had a bit too much, I think you know though.
And the same pigment, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well. I'm applying it right below my green eyeliner.
My Rolex, I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3.
And also I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye.
I got you, girl, and you got me.
So this is how this eye looks right now. So I'll quickly do my left one and I'll be right back.
I got you.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media, so links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Take me there. Let's down that wild